Cartice Watch review. Is it a luxury brand or a scam? I'm going to tell you whether Cartice Watch is a truly luxury brand or just another overpriced scam. Cartice Watch claims to offer high-end timepieces, but there are serious red flags. First, there's little to no information about the company's background or manufacturing. A true luxury brand is transparent about its materials and craftsmanship. Cartice is not. Second, many customers report that the watches feel cheap with flimsy materials that don't match the premium look advertised. Lastly, complaints about delayed shipping, missing orders, and poor customer support suggest it may be just another drop shipping operation. Bottom line, Cartice Watch doesn't seem to offer real luxury and might not be worth your money.